Welcome to Ash Cash Tash, where we believe that everyone can achieve financial success. In this video, we're going to talk about achieving financial freedom, becoming a business owner. But hey, don't worry, building wealth doesn't have to be a boring and daunting task. We've gathered information from a variety of sources to give you the most up-to-date and exciting tips and tricks. So grab your popcorn and drinks, and let's dive right into the video. Creating supportive relationships. It is important to remember that change can be uncomfortable for both parties involved. However, by engaging in open dialogue and transparently sharing our intentions, we can foster an environment of understanding and encourage our loved ones to become our advocates. Through continued communication, we can keep them informed about our progress, sharing milestones and successes along the way. Their support and encouragement will become invaluable as we navigate the challenges and celebrate the victories that accompany the entrepreneurial journey. Ultimately, by having these heartfelt conversations and addressing any concerns held by our loved ones, we can pave the way for a more supportive and unified path journey. With their backing and belief in our abilities, we can embark on our entrepreneurial journey with enhanced confidence, knowing that we have a solid support system behind us. Together, we can navigate uncharted territory, overcoming obstacles and achieving the positive impact we aspire to create. Seizing opportunities. When it comes to embarking on your entrepreneurial journey, acquiring an existing business presents a compelling opportunity. It enables you to bypass the initial challenges of building a brand and establishing operational systems from scratch. But how exactly can you navigate the process of buying your first business? Fortunately, regardless of your budgetary constraints, there are numerous avenues to explore, opening up a world of possibilities for aspiring business owners like yourself. One option is to explore small local businesses that are up for sale within your community. These businesses often offer unique advantages, such as established customer relationships and a loyal client base. By acquiring such a business, you can leverage its existing reputation and customer trust to build upon and drive growth. Fueling entrepreneurial success. For young and aspiring entrepreneurs eager to embark on their business journey, there is invaluable advice that can set them on the path to success. It begins with a fundamental principle. The pursuit of knowledge should be a lifelong endeavor. Never underestimate the power of learning and self-improvement. A crucial step to actively seek out opportunities for growth. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences related to your industry or entrepreneurial pursuits. These events not only offer valuable insights and practical knowledge, but also provide an excellent platform for networking with like-minded individuals. Engaging in meaningful conversations and exchanging ideas can spark innovation and open doors to potential collaboration or partnerships. Growing wealth, managing debt. Another critical aspect of building wealth is to make our money work for us. This involves understanding the power of investing and leveraging it to grow our wealth over time. By allocating a portion of our income towards investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, we can benefit from the power of compounding and generate passive income. It is essential to diversify our investments and seek professional advice if needed to make informed investment decisions aligned with our risk tolerance and financial goals. Managing debt is also a key component of financial freedom. By reducing and managing debt effectively, we can free up more of our income for saving and investing. This may involve strategies such as debt consolidation, negotiating lower interest rates, or developing a repayment plan. By being proactive in managing debt, we can avoid being burdened by excessive interest payments and work towards becoming debt-free. Ultimately, achieving financial freedom is a journey that requires discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. It is important to remember that it is never too late to start building wealth and improving our financial situation. By prioritizing financial literacy, adopting smart financial habits, and making our money work for us through strategic investments, we can break free from the limitations of living paycheck to paycheck and create a future of financial security and abundance. Harnessing digital opportunities. In the fast-paced digital landscape of today's world, social platforms have emerged as powerful tools for individuals to monetize their skills and passions. Whether you have a talent for creating captivating content, a knack for building online businesses, or a flair for social media marketing, there is immense potential to turn your online presence into a source of income. However, achieving financial success in the digital realm requires key ingredients: consistency, authenticity, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Building trust through consistent content. Consistency is a vital aspect of leveraging social platforms for financial gain. It involves regularly creating and sharing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. By maintaining a consistent presence and engaging with your followers, you build trust, credibility, and a loyal following. Consistency also helps you establish a recognizable brand identity, making it easier for your audience to connect with and support your endeavors. Calculated risks, great rewards. Taking the leap from a stable job to starting your own business can be daunting. It requires courage, belief in yourself, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. However, by conducting thorough research, creating a solid business plan, and having a clear vision, you can mitigate risks and increase your chances of success. Remember, calculated risks often lead to great rewards. The wealth mindset. Behind the curtain of success lies hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Many successful entrepreneurs face countless obstacles and failures before achieving their goals. It's important to have a growth mindset, be adaptable, and never give up. Success rarely happens overnight, but with determination and a relentless pursuit of excellence, you can achieve your dreams. So what makes a millionaire? Contrary to popular belief, it's not just about luck or inheritance. Millionaires often possess certain traits that contribute to their success. These traits include discipline, resilience, a strong work ethic, a passion for lifelong learning, and the ability to take calculated risks. By adopting these characteristics, you can increase your chances of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. When it comes to achieving success, there are common traits among highly successful individuals. They possess a clear vision, set ambitious goals, and stay focused on their objectives. They are self-motivated and constantly seek personal and professional growth. Successful people also surround themselves with a network of high achievers, known as A players, who inspire and challenge them to reach new heights. Embracing change for growth and fulfillment. Leaving things behind is often necessary to achieve our dreams. It might involve leaving a secure job, leaving certain comfort zones, or even leaving negative relationships. It requires letting go of the familiar to embrace the unknown. While it can be challenging, it's essential to recognize that leaving things behind is often a stepping stone to personal growth and greater fulfillment. Advice to my younger self. If I could give advice to my younger self, I would say, believe in your abilities and don't be afraid to take risks. Embrace failure as a valuable learning experience and never let self-doubt hold you back. Surround yourself with mentors and stay focused on your goals. Remember, the journey to success is rarely a straight line, but the lessons you learn along the way will shape you into the person you're meant to become. Goal setting. Goal setting is a crucial aspect of achieving success. Start by envisioning your desired future and then break it down into actionable steps. Set smart goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Regularly review your progress, make adjustments as needed, and celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, goals provide direction and purpose on your journey towards financial freedom. Money as a tool. My philosophy towards money is rooted in the belief that it should be a tool for creating freedom and enabling a fulfilling life. Money is not an end in itself, but rather a means to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and make a positive impact in the world. By adopting a healthy mindset towards money, understanding its power, and managing it wisely, you can create a life of abundance and financial security. I want to emphasize the importance of surrounding yourself with A players. Your network plays a significant role in your success. Seek out mentors, join mastermind groups, and build relationship with individuals who inspire and challenge you. By surrounding yourself with like-minded high achievers, you'll be propelled forward and supported on your entrepreneurial journey. And that wraps up another informative yet entertaining session with us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Remember, as you embark on your financial journey, it's important to strike a balance between seriousness and a healthy sense of humor. After all, finance doesn't have to be all seriousness. Until our next episode, keep honing your financial skills with a smile, because laughter and financial prosperity go hand in hand. Wishing you financial success.